Abusuya Mwakwaba edeba too much G8 so so first time near only media share we subscribe to me so their channel ayado waka so the bell on the account stand upload the tune when the first person there was a bit can na busuya ya ba be piemu e wo kaso a ye ne ma me Dr. Amingo e na ABD enkomo sunsun mu komo kakra e kan ho na mani de kan ne aka nyina afra na ye de amount de de nkwa wie ne wonya bibi e de free nti message abraso for maame ana de fuba ayaka do de kan ho ye ko no ma na kwa ba na fe yɛmfa yɛn kɔmɔ no ɛnhyehyɛ so mami
ma ho ofe
na wo akwaba
ayo ofe
ba che bibi abɔkɔ
awo yesu edi nkuno
yɛda nyame ase
yɛda so ti nkwa mu nkwa edi ɔde yɛbɔ ne nyina akye
amen mami enra yɛbɛka sɛ yɛante asɛmpa nanso nyame de Ghana ho afofie ɔyɛ yɛadom sɛ nka nyɛ saa nka ebi enne na nka manne no akɔakɔyɛ foforɔ ne nyinaa yɛ enra yɛ maame ɔba Sarah Adwasa former Dr. MP ade a ɛso no na wofopie wɔ ne nyinaa nti abɛtɔ mo nso kyerɛ sɛ onya nti ebutia ne nan sɛ yɛde ne nua no esi adeɛ so ba saa process ne so na wɔn kyerɛ sɛ ɛda court de injunction ato so nti na wɔn hwɛ sɛ ɛno no nya adeɛ bɛkɔ so ɛna ayɛ sister Adwasa fa na maame Adwasa fo anya ne ntiɛ ne sɛ biribi sei ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ akofene fie ɛna wotu kaa sɛ wɔde kɔ hɔ na nka wakɔ akɔstɔp sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɛnkɔ so because court injunction ɛda so okɔkɔduru hɔ no ankwankɔyɛ papa etututu ɔkɔ so saa bere yɛ maame ɛda hospital a wɔgye ayarehwɛ ɛnsɛ bi si yɛ ogye ne sɛ
medase that good nyame ɔmbɔ yɛ nyinaa yɛ ho ban na ɔfa yɛ bɔ ne nkyɛn na ɔmbɛbie kwan soro kɔma yɛ na watiefoɔ no wahwɛfoɔ no ɔmo a ɔmo hyɛ no ɔmo like no nyame mpagya ɔmo mfiri adom mu nkɔ adom mu
amen
ɛwɔ Yesu Kristo Nazareth ndi mu sɛ obi hwɛ me a Apostle Dr. Amingo na meka sɛ me wɔ kasoa ɛne ne mpɔtɛ mu hɔ baabi na mɛsrɛ wo sɛ wo yare a memfa yare no ntana sɛ bɔmmɔde ana pɛ yare no ho adu yɛ sɛ wotɔn w'asɛm a na wonya ɛho ase ɛpom asibire bi si ma wo enti bɔmmɔde asɛ yare bi titi wo fa dan doctors wo de dan doctors na wohwɛ na ɛmpa bɔmmɔde ana po so Apostle Dr. Amingo ma mɛwɔ adodo a mato bi commanding oil commanding oil asofo kwa beto bi enti wo a wohwɛ me owi asafa na nyina no wo ti bie bu ama na bi mu a ɛyɛ dim woju wo bia ɛnje beto commanding oil na use no kakra na hwɛ de nyame bɛyɛ bɔmmɔde a wo na wo kɔte mu wo sebi wo kɔte nye adwuma papa wakɔ ware obi bɔ otwene ne ma wo bra na bɛ fa dan na menye ho akwan ma na wonya ahoto wo de tare ana wa wo yɛ bibi enye yi posoma homa no nyame bɛkasa ama wo so wade wo de mɛkasa fa saa asɛm we hu sɛ wo sɛ de bia yɛ wasɛm yɛ kasa sɛ wuwu a na wachi asɛm ayɛ bibi ampa sɛ na papa ne te ase a saa asɛm we ɛnkɔ so da because the man I know na ne yere ba ko yɛ madamfo aso maame I think sɛ aso ne si no better na this particular boy nti we na ne maame yɛ teacher ni akɔfna no na ne maame yɛ teacher ni yes otichi wo one of the international schools wo brigade enti guy we me ne ne hyɛ ni nkomo bossa but I know him enti mesre sɛ omo nyina no omo be seize fire but ade ba ko ameka cha omo nyina ne sɛ owo we sɛ nye wo time na wo nua bi ana obi bopa na eyi fu ade poro nya so kese pa enti emane emma enam ne so emane nua Adwasafo ne nkwa emfiri ne sa mane nye sa mistake because Adwasafo I know Adwasafo of whom I know no honorable no send ye tie bia no be fight am ebushia ono wo ono kwano de no enonyam hye abebushia nim oh yes abran papa ti ase nyina the girl has been fighting so long so well to make sure say ebushia be dey ebeko nenim enti emane nua no mfa niam bi mfa hye ne sa enye niam bi edi problem beba eye ne nua onhwe ne se ne obey one ne benya peace na peace apregele we nya sa ne akoso we se ba ne se ne nua ne wu a wonya problem no even though enyo ne ko twi to because you Ghana mna musa na tie enyo ne ko twi to the ball no omo twi 20 years ade no omenyo ne o maso twen but wo so a wo command ye ne so so benya wo de because say wo nua ati bipo na oba usia I think say obi enim salad ne ka o yusu and which ebusion name say obi o yusu ka ba kwa no yusu ka so they should know the cars the woman is using so oba omo baby omo work they should even open the gate for her say ne tie bia no peace can prevail because I not ready my this was still oba work e was say mo man ba na mo tie ni ono so beka na mo de car ebe mo the car ne ba na mo so mo bie gate no de ne car no apimu a wo se wa offend wo say Ghana ha ye onyema bi wa ye cheke. I don't think that woman will be too stupid to the extent so make me be no the car ne petem gate no ebi a okosi ala obun bie gate ma me omo ambi nti automatically obe free say of the car ni bomu a ebetimi ai ben because gate bi wo ha sa na to boma etimi bie sa
okay
ebi ana na age no enti man and fan a different way I be conclude Ghana for me say the Ghana for 100 cases on be 100 cases me so better kwa utikra be ya wo ya and so ebi ana there is something na ni nua ba ne e fight say ni nua no ma ne yesa
okay
I'm telling you who say ebushe bia asem to say me papa say papa no ko why mistake Apostle ko just why big mistake go be so asase why mistake because why mistake say pa because we ma bebria you were measures I would to man me papa owo ye 72 papa worry 14 wives enti papa otias no okache ne nkola ni nyina fe yen hwe ye nim obi asese na ye nim na se ba ko so ni tia ba ko a wo a waso ate onokro bewu
okay
oka sa se me go ye yin ne ni e bodu ato up to now so adin that nti up to now me o ka say ye bushom se bia obi ye na adwe se ne ni brain no ko pe no wa problem straight nti wo kwa no tell na wanya no kwa no ntimi nya time the same so ntia wunya no minim so what me make na tia so the man who wants a one kola bebre you should be able to put measures there
okay
but what I say and this I see and this because I don't think say akofna onope na ye the only son there are sons but what I say and ebia akofna no there is something na oh yeah ebia other because in Kulano omu free mame baako omu free different mothers and abushia obia free different mothers not father near baako obia dream different
okay
unya adwene baako da enti papa na nkote ase do no betima control na ade but wewunu as say oni ho no e wo se nkola no because say ba adwasafo oyoba ontimi pray japade but Mrs. Sassen was beti some ebinum ko better so pray japade and so ebi ho not the right channel bi na opese it should be well eti na oye den or fight say you fa yi and fire den and for you because adwasafo I don't think say otimi say because this particular boy no papa no minim say because ne ma me say ne ma me ka tell
former no na CEO someone papa na
eti ko obi a otimi hu e wo ho me ma call once 2 3 times me hu say once we me hu wo because ma me call ho emre bi ne ma me na tias ne ma me me call papa na ho emre
okay
yes ti ma hu boy no once bi wo ho minim say o ne nam papa no ho because me ma me na call ho be 2 3 times by once me na me hu sa particular kola enti no mesre me mo nye niama basa me nkofa owuo sa owuo kese we de Ghana ye de fan yes ro mo see fire na empen me say wahu that gold
mama
we as wahu obi an hwe le gusu yi na ompe sika nto hwe sika wahu stop nonsense I'm telling you so wo sika because sika na akola ni yusu e dey fighting the senior sister no ni sister you can see say wabobra kakabat papa ni japade bebre abedi ni sem to on because akwa no dey control papa ni the transport nyina so she have the source she have the means he have the sika into between this kana den I employ police for bebre aba hono and Ghana obi edi sika I'm telling you I'm telling you
as a uniska was
busha into obi a wo hwe me bia hwe wo no kwere kwa obe kan wo Ghana ha say wo miss sika wo ntimi nto wo no kwere and was any paper physical a chile point. Can we yapa? A young was even more Bible say money is the root of all evil. Hey, Miss Asset, we need to move. Money is the root of moving forward, and not the root of all evil. And you nipa and amana evil because a nipa perception or the target come because why now you say my mother says a woman yes, can never double watching. Is it Namina Casa? And me and my perception in my gene, my bad character, me one area is God. So money is not the root of evil.
To be unpaid.
Or be unpaid to because the scam of and the new man be open on the police when they saw the phone in the chair. Who are there to say they will open the gate? But as I saw no one or who is say a union to make of a police call. It may call them in Nakasana and Tiasa Yumano. Yet was well prepared with armaments. And to see there because I got a fool we are womb was your womb. Or fighting for the Papa Japadi. And my name fighting for the Papa Japadi because Papa Wamba or my baby. Name Papa or Dakuma. Minko Hompo. because a man say you can me and me to so be 50 something nti me ko e no omo to so first second ko go so na go be 50 something na ko fight then minimum so what you say it me ma she me one corner omo wo problem wo frame ya say spiritual aspect na ma bo omo but me go fight over fight Japan no me nye sa mistake no me papa o wo fie won kan o san si fie o pentapo o si fie o kumasi mo si zongo abu na mro house ye wo fie o
okay
me ko kumasi na me pe bia da kwa me ko sa fie o because me pe masu dwe me ko rent hotel sister who wa na mo tutu a wunyi che enti Joseph on jai properties na trade papa na nka se wawu na so le susum da so tiase enti Joseph ndi a chi se papa na nka se wo samampom na ohwe na ne yakos na ni so a onda wodi ba so ohwe na ni so a onkum obi bia na wa na so be representing na on representing wo papa so onkum ni fa free e ya simple enti me ma Joseph nko constant ko we ma Ghana so nko fa na ni mu fa tutu for because we are so we understand something obi o tan wonya ne ko na tan enti Joseph o wata for e man dem ma o mu fa sa asem we su e mbenya ne mo on train sign on city fair on jai ni nwana ye no dey bia
okay
sebi memma mpo e na print japade anamboa oba de ori japade ko e dey because Joseph cannot bear nikunu di oro akwade no da ba tiri haje basia it's impossible enti onu nkoko ware na ware no wo ne ma no so fighting the properties man ma no nja ne properties no se da chi boka bi di kaka no afa ni no se sia ne aye wo be bi de o try de o obeka so ni no competition mu ni wo fight mu on fi wu
okay
but what I say eti mesre me pa o mo chow mo mo ye ma di we enkodane be kodane legal issues na it will be because the social media say social media say one was a TikTok was a day say na age ho nyina afa you wrong ade na mo papa be wu na mo be ma mo papa echi aye basase abra papa ni kwa ye nsie mu it's wrong no mo ye na nkoyi baba no kwa ye fa ni to online it's anything no mo yes sir e was at least mu chopo ni yesie papa ni wie mu sie ni wie a na mato na mo ye no so na bia mo hwe na mo de ye empanyifo bi empanyifo boni I'm telling you wo be kom no na e bi site boy no wo be kom na e bi site girl no which nka two parties mbetimi afom na de atase hey mama yesa de mo yesa mo de ni wese mama papa papa no wo kom ba ne chi e wo se yedu enti mo gina ne chi na mo ye ba na mo ntimi gina ma ne ma ko yie sa na wo sa mo ye but I'm asem see o wunnim de meka wunnya tia this obi a wa situation mi makomu da no better say asem see wo so a wo
bia won your better
obi a won your better tia won interest asem obi be kan what ko ti bi to ka ko bopan ebi a meka na asem ko fa ko bebia so be kan ya to so enti mestre Aduasafo me pa na cho me nua me sister penyi mesre no on fanche enyo no kwa na e ba penyi
okay
eyo no na ye ba penyi but on twa so nyame ama ne so ene ne du
okay
nti on twa so
maame empenifo se ye wo se bi wonim kata wo so enti se wo ka se ebia obi be fim na se de chi be basase ya ifini pa na wa fim no se wa hwa atutu na chi ya ansa na woko se bi se echichito no san ya na nipa ne be ye no de wo te ase a no betinya ya ne se ebia obey instruction na so de ne ma bi go ana obey real mpo no ye be kan ya yesi esie nipa na ye ye na wie ansa na busana betena se abedie ro no so na wo mo akan so what ya so na so o the instructions bi gugu akwam ke kan se bi to wa owu kwa abusane pana ne nsem wo be kanom de be ye adwuma na no da ye si wo da de no babusum ono kwa de ne de ye enwom to ye but awon afa na hwe ene papa nsu ko ye hu we ti se nipa no what ya se a echitu so no sen no be ye na nti no niwa ebetimi aye fema abusua emma eyere enkonti ya kan ye
medase ne etere se wo ye bema na wutimi hu se e wo se wo ware ma bebri na wo emma bebri wasase we so dia e wo se wo di nyama bi tutu akwam obi a ohwe mo Ghana ha ye owo mam owo yere no more than 2 3 na owo ma bebri no onsua de wu
okay
obi a ye nyina nobody is above the law nti ye nyina ye nsua de na emmo ye nyina men ka se bi a owu ko anya hwe na echinya dabi tinase na make sure se mra be ye adwuma kopim time anya me few na wo kokora wonim se wo chi is okay one me di kan de me papa de ye mfa to ho
okay
me se me papa wo ye nkola 72 ye nyina ye wo na 72 ne ye kan ko ma me to so be 50 something che se me hu bebia enti no for that me papa ni ba bebu o di kan frey etna as ka say yen hwe yen nyina yenim we say yes say yam na yes ah no say e wo say ye do yam emma yen gina bebi ma ba ko ntia ba ko yate ana ena yes ah me de na me hwa nti me de me gina me de we be say yes one me ko top your tabro mo pay first me de ba me tie na me tete ni omo ka hen nti no the warning no emma mo say memma ba ko ntia en ko ntia ba ko da na wo be ko atia wo nyonko no wo be wu
na so papa na bodua o
yes e bia bono no
okay
eno nkoda nchen papa nankasa maye ya we se ono oti ase no omo mo ben no no ena omo nim ni niam mu enti so wu a sankrofo no ena wanfa penyi because penyi no ante nchen
okay
but yen bra mu no yen ye ka so papa na ewu enye hwe penyi no mbedi ade penyi ni so wu a na no to aso aye den edi that is what we were doing nti to kwa bia ni ho but what I say but when we say there's a statement when papa ne said so we be ade na wu a na ba ko aye den abe that means ebuso na ewu pe sisi mu rough wo a wonya de no be wuntem
okay
enti me busu enu say go bia ho ye de because we list mistake ko be the wo say but what I say ebuso no hot me ebuso no enye fedia me ebuso no hot wo ebuso no yetimi frame meeting obi nim say wo so kan yes so be obey di yes because money be there are votes or my young competition one and just obey one physical you be finish within 1 second it was an apostle Joseph oh yeah we would name that this particular boy na e pen wo and wasn't continue here with only one no kai but you can't be say AI na kasa what are you talking about
okay
we are in a generation AI to be kasa o yetimi obi audio e wo court no aka say AI and pass it can be AI but what I say enti no e wo say papa letimi ye written notes to say me person me wu anya me aduna say me kwa ma betna ma di entina che enti me free as asu we so kwa me ba si me si mo betimi ama wa den we di ma dey say ono no ne me nam ono no ni me bibia ono ne control me cars ono ne control me transport ono ne control me security mo ono en continue no hwe ebusua no so simple. But I believe that there was something wrong. Until I'm address for say nka on person in and baba betna for the meter on channel court and sheshania was of sheyi but once emrebu no so say emre di asema etimi me minimum asem bia me wofa na odi sa asem nichi me wofa gu ye kwa na asem no ga enya frɛ etimi court asem and because court no waste time police station waste time and if you waste time and this whole person wo hwe me na person wo bo bra pa was asem we su ko wanim na wo so da che wo sa bo wo say wo so wo yo bia men fa court police any and first and first we so untimi nya de papa bia da because those 3 areas no we waste time
we do akoni abasa
o me so court who court case da o ebe we have to come from because as I really say I was say who could do court and tesa omo mo rules and regulations omo de cost was that particular court rooms or who better the bibi be bang court right no so bia sorry court bring bang court sit down who you know part of the white court
town
me say ba ku bi me say me am me ni ko hwe me pese me court na me call court me say me ko hwe ne ye omo ye sister me di traffic mu akopie court say what the high court me call ye omo che say ha na me say e court na do so ho na me say omo di asen woni am say omo places omo di omo asem e na me ko rua ba ku me na me say me tete ho me hwe ne ye ko eja me ni case want me ko hwe ne ye ko me pese me hu ne no so te so bi hwe me owi ase awo so osoro na pa ono dwa no kwat na kwat no nti asem keke obesuba obepafo me koko me see your free case bi a wo de bang nti say no mo keka no hwe wo timi say wo hu ni ti wo ne na so omo ti ase because me no my ni me ko omo ti ni mo kana nti no court sem no because hours I be wasting here what traffic mo ko di ho no ni hours I be ko wasi wo court me me hu ase papa bi to me ni me ma understand me hu ade papa bi a omo ye no but omo hu ade papa wo it me advice obi especially when you youth don't allow court issue to manipulate your lives. Let my court do with him kind. Cases you you can say sorry, no chaso. Ni also sorry, ni chaso forgetting. Let it go. Now peace. sister wo ade ba ko hu me so ne mna bi se mpese me call prisons na me ko hwe me se udu prisons yard a wo hu wo besu me ko ho ma boy bi ka na asem kire me na me se mpese me ne omo ko bom pai so omo wo mu procedure wo pese wo ni prisoners ko bom pai a na ko che omo ada ofem me ko duru ho no boy ba ko ka asem bi jo say mama me sere o me hia aboa minnim afena me nifa minnim ne tia me wo prison ha say bibi to bia ya nka hweche minnu bia ya me ko fe me bo me na me ni say sister omoda ko se here omoda 4:30 na 4:30 ni pa ko de ba ko da dey wada 8 o'clock no plan no won't ni po da na wa pa da 4:30 na kan me na oda sere ya mbo 1 o'clock na de na we ni so asori na won't be so pieko because we don ka ya lo so your life is being controlled by the government etu wo hwe me na wo ye you obe hwe wo yi e ma asem nto wo asem bi wo he to wo wo nya bofo pie wo chi bebia e na wo ni sika so be charge ho na wa asem awede akoye mo bati mesre so obi a o hwe TV station we bia no she na like no obi so famu aba ye so obi ni but obi so nim sin obi krom wa obi so ne de se ne de na chi nti nyina ye hwe ade entwa ma asem ni to men problem to one who adofo wunya who that 10,000 people a problem to wunya one single person we know it se nyame ampata e be yede
ma me bi so a kire se e free se papa yi e tofom ye hu toto ye ne akwanya badie ni nyina no akwakoye ye ma me sere adwasafo anko na ya na wo ye hu ne se wodi ani me na no ada wo koye ma former president na de kunkufo ho o mako Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia mpeni fo ko yi nyina ni hu se akofuna no eka ho eye adwoa ennuanum kakra na aka nka no ho na eko eno da nchen a egusua baabo nten de ka se papa no kwa wote ase no ka se nko tofomo a na momo mfa ne hye frigi papa no da so hye frigi ma de bia papa ne bodi da pa ne gusua na ka bodi ne yomo dia no ho fo mo ni huye no mo bisa adwoa se de bia papa ne wo no age so mo nya presidential approval ansa no wati nya kwa ko hebodi nta se adwoa gyenyama na kenten so a womo obia ma hu mehwe se ne nemu sitempo emma no kura nyina mu no tini ko mumua na ka pese busua na enka body ne yomo dia no so omanya kwan e de abenti no ne ekoso na adwoa na kofa ne abeyaba
me da se papa ni kan se so wu a me manu fo mo manu fo mo me mo fa ni ko se fridge mu dia and the omu ni right so mo di be se fridge
okay
because on until I make a way like some over church word who say one these are some of the things se papa me kan sa asam ne dia that means on person is to be ko fridge mu nti I don't know mo di ko se fridge mu nti e was mo hwe no mo sie no and I me pass this message to all Ghanaians and now say adwoa safo ene ne ni nuanom say se ne papa ne se fridge mo ko yi ni tentem no mo hwe no mo pe no kra bia and na so mo be sie papa no so mo make sure say o me sie papa no wo fie me mo go sie no wo sie was so omu very vigilant with this particular message America and yes omu be to say okoko go feel memo go see papa no we see ye omu sie ni e wo fie a enkola nyina obi a wo hobi nti obi asoro omu nim say papa no mu no aha na hye say be say omu yes so fine kwan ko bit na so abobo nko ni amikan papa no wo fie bebre or one sassy baby, or Monsieur one of the house, maybe. I'm telling you the truth. No more mistake in concern with here, or make up to 2 funu. Because upon a 2. When you say so for war, so be a shop of crudging no war. Yes, and was here,
Mammy Daintia.
Daintia, yes, and was here, or be just for president, a bit to say be a stars, kings, queens. Yes, because yes, someone will say. Yesika
okay
ye tiwumi ye nipedia ye wudro pebe bibia yesika na tari ke kasa ni paneshempu ye big ade nti se ni pan otofoma ye mfa ni nko bebia yesie enipa wo
okay
yesie ni separate place in work so that obi nko tutu funu
okay
ti se obi ye big musician no ogua u twa na nsaka u ko tu ni funu na wo bu ne nsaka ke na ye de ya ade ma wa there also you become a bigger and greater star. Ne text a market that so honor and who ye and odia. Mucha keke sister. A name of the sa enunti ena yem pese obi ye ni patitua ye senwo because ye person go to funu a distracted body no
Okay, Joe. Mammy, ye been so abra, ye papa tall from apostle police for tall from pay. And prophecies de kind, in the Ghana days, some day, it be dear him. Nanado do night, say, papa no free na we free mono, say a busanity tuni and mano. One shady ya, papa no person but funny babaku, at the canon a court. A picture say a yebema, a picture say a yeneba, to bit my yebema, the bits my your bar. Ya, papa no person but funny babaku, then a canon who asama no koko somu no ewo. Ye betimi aka se ne nwura esi ye elenki to prophecies and am monten so na pa ampa se papa no why so so money pay die wo pese ne baba ko bi be ka ne ho a na ne baba ne ba ne be ka ne ho a wo be ka ne ho dia ye din
me da se ne yetiere se obi wu na anchena ne baby wu di ne chi a truth it can happen say papa na adefa no anase maame na adefa no ko. It can also happen, say, carelessness. Mammy, come, madam, to be a radio, and I compare the trap, crabby man. I would do because I am craning. No more, see, and go forward. I would do. And no connection, no, or woman, also a woman, me, no, send me, sir. I'm so woman, I'm send me, that me, and son, but me, Baku, I betray, and I remember Baku, Ghana, and I need the papa, or no, so anything. Tini baba ndo ni mugone ne da sori ye bibia na wonim se dey na maame no wuye na aba na I say obodam because oni maame no omuda bom omu ye bibia bom omu di bibia uru maame na anu akula no omu ma akula ni ko class pe school pe na maame no enka ho na akula ni fu school ba maame ni be tina janse ho akula ni free care na maame na akula ni ocholo ko no aba no asan na tintinu sa akula ni ko school pe na ye ta maame ni endi ni chi but akula ni free school ba maame ni be twen ko go be bi o be free bi o na ba be twen akula no kwan no do ko woni se maame ni wu ye endi 2 weeks ye ko sie maame no endi 2 weeks e na akula ni teke mo so ye ni nanfo ko bibi se party se de no mo ba nti o mba na ye se jama se car na nya problem na o be park wo ye si be bi di ama from junction e wo bus stop on wo ma park wo a ni nyankopɔ ni nyina no esisi e mo am so mo pe mechanic ora be ye car na ma mo e na no akwa ndo mo ka so ndo betina car no ada atwe ho woni se akwality car no sa car foforo free hifo da bebo kan mu santan ama akwa na atwea ne maame no so e wo nsamampo mu we obi tincho beka se eye maame na abefa no eye mistake eye careless car na se ge so obi esi ada na wo isi ohun ni se wa week laziness enti obi tincho beka se maame susu maame sama na abefa no enya maame sama maame ni pese ne ba ne kwa eche wasase we su no owo edore wasase we su wan na be pese obewu no se be fa ne ba so de ko ada owo ne eye function ade aye wu bi ewu no nsu ka oba ne tia so betuma ye bi kwa hye wo no nyam ba to ati ase ene eye bem baba mantino me baby maame ni si ni fie ne se me nam ho na me du wa me hwe ho because uti bu se ka maame ni poti ase ka obe fie ho fa and now small girl tia ase na bia because girl no the mother was training her very well to commit me putting nyama be in order wo fie no do a e ba sa bi mo because boy na be ma na wo remember say you all understand say nyama be form enti yes na e wo no it can happen say Apostle Joseph onye na adi okay say why not for before the Bible bisa
okay
Bible awo ye no qualify person e bisa asem ba ko efa ye papa osofu pani a wanya ni pe bi kwa efa na Apostle Dr. Joseph yes say wewu ebi mu hye nkom say opese obefa na mani bi ko ye bi ye nim ni e bisa na wo na wo ye no qualify wo ka ehita sem kire say yam pass Apostle Dr. Joseph person obefa na mani bi ekwa no ho wasamampo mu a eyampa atwakọ right enyampa na ntrobu no mu twegu ni bi so atwakọ left enyampa enti won say that me mu ba ma me ka say ni so obi tu na no de siw so a wo ano ese ni ma bi ano edi nkyene edi moku ese enti no obi obeti na no siw so ade beto ase we beto as na no beka sa na ho kwa so
okay
na ho hum ne dey estati fight o eti na de bia mi wa se mi ameka say e wo se mi pe bi o wa asase we so a e ya afanso no etai fedware because ensono essay anu biara no boni bi e dia kan sama gu so a enya no kwere anu sa ade no essay no essay
Okay.
It is a ocean me now we are safe and I share too much TV. You make catch out the say. But when you down, obi ordinary no, I saw ordinary no sell. What's the man that? So that Martin naked who not no boss everybody be. Let can go say, I didn't be any person can do any mass. And then I'm so back to send them. Because one what they say, who send me now do one no send, or no person no say, also send was so many be so. Sani pan no, you be because on no na catch and for one year, and that's we see, and now do, and that's we see. But when the open now with them, now what of getting now to do, can't you find when you never call so back to sender.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Yo, mommy, ye the community. Na after say emra incident in AC, you know, Christos Affirmation of Ghana at the press statement about Bonting. Train you know, see, you know, and then your air coso. Now, me person me kind kakami canina. Okay. Me kind kit way be not ye dear some ness in my do adventure. Yo, it's me start fee. Second paragraph, no need third paragraph, no say. After a lawful church event being held at the premises, Sarah Adrasafo arrived at the venue and forcefully drove her vehicle into the entrance gate of the property. Our verified information is that she struck her vehicle against two metallic gates, causing substantial damage to both structures. At the time of the incident, numerous worshippers and invited guests were present within the premises, including individuals seated in close proximity to the entrance. The action described above created a serious risk to life and property. Had the gate completely collapsed or had the vehicle proceeded beyond the entrance, the safety of attendants could have been gravely engaged. Security personnel on duty intervened to prevent further escalation and to protect persons gathered at the event. Their actions were directed solely toward preserving public safety and preventing injuries to attendees. That is much more. I'm going to fan. Almost say Abra na dwumadi no ekoso emra no e na ye ma me lawyer Sarah Adwasafo a e de na car bepie mu wo ho na wo ye na dwene se o the force ebu metallic gate no egu enti wo ye na na wonya kwan na wo kire se bebia na wo ye sade na nipa tete ho enti na ama wo mo tete wo mo kwakwa da isan enti wo mo a wo mo tutu no wo mo ye sa se wo mo de bo enkwan na wo ho no ho ban wo mo wo ho se na ebeye na enkonkofa asem kese bia emfa emma because amanfo fufu wo mo fie ma hodo na aba betena ho enti na wo mo ehwe se na mo dwumadi a wo mo edi ne so emma bibibonyi bia enkonkoba sa adam enti na wo mo etutu esu wo me ye hu ne se bi sa bible no kwafo wa kire se enya ade se ye papa apostle Joseph epeso obepa ne baba ko bia ade de ka no ho efo na nra na esi ye so asafo so a kire mu se na wo mo de bo enkwa ho ban na ma ekofa so a ye maami etu ekokan enti we rebeka say a purely criminal offense and na say a spiritual backing.
Me that say there is a spiritual to it.
Okay.
And physically no a lawyer following me on become but to me no me ma dwena make am this is about family. Nti obani nua hokura I believe say if you catch am so mum be gate no so mum be gate. Okay. Asem to man go police station da ho asem e be ka to so no ukodu okobe confused. Because when we say the matter e be say who tie lady nankasa anu a e be na wanya na adwe say or the force. Okay. But e be o ka so mum be gate no room o man ye na e be o de ye den o de ne car na ye den try say go be gate by force. Because any program, she has right to come there. And because there was an order given to the gate people. That is why they refused to open the gate. But there will be a gate. Now I believe so inside. And I don't think she will be so stupid to the sense that be a gate now but inside and not be a gate. I don't know about starting or fight or no or banner no they are fight you. Okay. But what you are saying. It's when none of us were in the same. And yet press news and other things we are listening. So we should just forget about that and let's come together and pray for the family. Because this that is happening can happen to your family, can happen to anybody's family. But what I say, once Ghanaians, we always lack one thing. So I say, if you mention of year 2 years, I feel you have to waiting where you mistake and then where you say, and then where you say, we say, sister. Say Adwasafo enya nwode free yare mpaso so no ebisa na sem ebi obeka to say enye gate no ye na ade so kokoko ebi okaso mu bi gate no abi Sasa make would you watch to about a BP. So we are see obi a was of now, not disrespect to ya papa. Interview a catch on some movie gate, na me many million cassa. Now say me chums and your munja. If your man, see no moon say, or can't control your name, so they can't make a budget in
Mammy, ne cry be say, yeah, mammy, Sarah Jossafua. Why MP Payne? Why Minister of State da? And papa you talk for me on Mudia Konya Bay. Ababa ye public notice that social media ni idea say or ne akufuna na say a man be no or montamo yet to or no ne akufuna or montamo and yefe. Already near air cost music court injunction at so. Enti senko bi kwat ya wona so e na wo kwa ye se abo no so nya na onkawa onfe ne sen.
Of course.
Enti wonim se wonua no woni ne ntamo mpo e na wo kɔ ho adan na want to keep precaution measures be send me fra police fo mpo no mo ni kan kɔ because e bibi nya ye Ghana police service na bebem wo individual no wa ho de ye sense na working enti ka ye ma me ni take precaution measures na wo ma police fo ni kan but say okogya ho no no agina de tumi sense wo no aka say kwa kɔ kyerɛ ne ma powers na de e kɔ no almost say enjoy.
Me that say good, that good. And yes, I'll go tell the powers. No, how they are. No, Baba who said we could teaching out naturally. No, what the obvious was last and the one that's a week back. But to naturally one time. But the attendants only who say, or who will say, or go catching me and said, the moon jai. Na atem no ede because woman no nimra mate say am so a lawyer cra
or a lawyer
into nimra into nim say on people brand function is semusa
okay
but any nyani adna course me who say any nyani ti because if this is happening at different place now no I just have to call on go alone or be call with people
okay and
or be call with armed men but on we say any nya na e chiba so enti no ya minim so ati me make na say
adwene no wo
one who say any man betimi keep and men against her yes and no is one reason this betimi call and men to follow her ananya make am boa obi onu why MP o be say o say oni police ni we betimi afa na di ni chi
okay
nke go onu wan ko with ntokwa em so ko say go kwa chem so e bia unim say ade we e wo court nti yen twa na yen ka bibia wi enti no say abale saa me de ne hu ni say enkofo no mo ye immediate enkofo mo bɛn mo fa yie fa tu ye na nyame kwan hyira o no mo njai so mo so mo di confusion tu nkola ni tem because they see an bema no wo mu no ono because bema betima fight for bibia ɛna ono oba so nyame adon wo di kan anim mpanyifo ɔkɔ president wo yi so ono na ne team call ye say akofna anko bi but so akɔ it's all in the name of ebusuana say president ba eyi na sia ebusuana no abamwa ma adu asafo enti enonyam hye ne bebe ebusuani ni na enti me sere omo me ne migusu ka say migusu sere omo omo sidi fire because sister asofu de ne izo say obesi asore dan na wetimi ageda member ba ku mienu miensa members na bi yam ponche bi yam moa na wetimi ageda moa na saa mo ba be dori be ye bebre na nyame afrew na wo magina ho person muskata members no sister ya because ade e ko asore betimi acha be ye 10
kame ba ho bibisa say sabre asore ne da achi to say because papa na ti ase no
sister
ho apofuna
members no ebi hu no mo kasa wo be ka say se excuse me to you be ka say woni members na ebi adu wo from
edru ba bi hu say ode ye maame lawyer Saraja Safo asi ade so ma ne empinifo ahemfo ne ade bi fi Liberia ni ade nyina other countries ni ba betai maame achi a sabe pa sorry omo fa ni woman king eti papa no edi maame no esi ade so asa na otasi asa ye wo ye ma adwasafo a na sabe so akofuna so papa na achi no asori no so di na esi ade so asori ne da achi say
say Sarah at the end of their life is at risk over there because adwasafo na papa ndi na sim ebi na papa ndi
si hima
asafo that means say oba pe say oba no control asafo no na be man to control engineering side no
okay
maybe to me we say Sarah at the again that's the intention of the man or making sure say papa ne be there be man no wo mu be control
ni njuma
no na oba asoro so de uma oba di enima eboa
okay
sister me na me catch you asoro say be ma di enima nsem ne be be go wrong
Samo
I'm telling you by so oba di enima ne be break me poa
dodo na so ya na ma so de nke wo se mu di asori mpo animu
sister ne be break asesa oba gu
okay
enti oba ti mi di asori enima be poa a e ma so ni so gina perfect minim asori ma bebre edi asori ma so na edi ba se kene ye mmema na edi asori ma kasa asori nkengu I'm telling you oba bi odi asori bi eni bia e krojen ba mmema ni bebre na omudi asori ni mu bebre tutututu altar na mu de niam bias bebre misi bebre okojo mu altar so e be preach kura mic na ye de ma okwa hu bebre a won so kura fa preach ade ndisa wonya di pa wutimi preach there are altars misi mi ko bebre ko preach ye e be ma asori be ma na invite me ko asori me mpese me bo asori bi na me nya preaching we free me see free me sunny free altar me so ho na boy ba ka say mami we are a champion because that altar we won't be ya won fruit ko preaching message until now me money be am no mo na me the apostle be na no say mama do you hear the statement boy na ya na na the statement ben no say boy na say omu altar na you very powerful that means the man has been doing it to people I do the just so kwa ye mo but we think about me shaking crowd in na you know who say hey woman we dey empower woman power am I pay through bia no man kan enti sebi se wonna mo wiase kura na sofo bi ya obone a fa che no asofo na bi hu yehu ebi nem mo mutimi ye no you have no idea omo no mo yere no ka wodem bo mo yere no kwa dim ne yakus I'm telling you because ye no mo kwa timi ebobo so no kra no we don't pick it easy we don't get it easy from them remember me say no mutimi ye no e serious mama ne kra ne kra me ka cha wiase afa na nyina se me se wo yare bibi hawo wo de kira na awai wo ye duma wo so wo ye bibi enyeyi bo mo na post apostle Dr. Amingo mahoma no etwagu wa TV so post ahoma no na frem na me no ndi komo ne fa yie fa tutu yie na sa wo hwe me so na wiase afa na nyina se Bible believing church awo area wo mu a bo mo na kosom nyame wo me hwe pastor nti nipa bia from so wo so kosom nyame wo no kware any sunsun afọ na wakọ nyina ebebie ade ba ko meka cho bibira o hwe TV we ni se wo pese wo bobra na wo fa nyame enka ho a wo bebere fa nyame ka ho ade bia wo ye bia fa nyame ka because metinye di nyame ho adase a kire o se o ye too marvelous no be ye amana simi medamasi mo share na mo like it na mo comment
yes yeah that's it abusia asam no na wie nyina ne se life without Christ crisis se wo bobra na nyame enka ho a ya na bra no wo bre yie pa we ni ensam a etwa so aye maame Dr. Amingo editu dwamaye mehye se wo beja wo comment no wo comment section ho edi amame all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like ya share na ho so me bia hwe ni din dark code makra